One of the very first things to do on your pre-trip inspection is to ensure that you have enough tools that would be able to actually assist you when you run into any concerns. So we're going to go ahead and help you build a toolbox. Now everyone would like to be able to take a toolbox from their garage and have everything stocked, but we're going to give you a list of the necessities that you will need for your trip.
A polarity tester, assorted fuses, 15, 20, and 30 are the most common size. Needle nose pliers, a crescent wrench, channel locks, a torque wrench with 3/4 inch socket attachment, a spray bottle with soapy water, a tire pressure gauge and tire chuck, duct tape, a caulk gun, clear silicone, a putty stick and lap sealant, a multimeter, a socket wrench with assorted size sockets, standard, not metric, a screw gun with assorted size bits, square and Phillips, a 1/4 inch hex for manual override of your hydraulic pump, Allen wrenches, specifically a 5/32 Allen wrench for your pump valve override.